Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. This is English conversation practice for beginners.
That's right. Today, you will learn how to talk with your friends in English. You will be able to greet friends, ask about their day, and share simple stories.
This is very important because we talk with friends every day, right? At school, at work, online.
Exactly. And don't worry, we make learning easy and fun, so stay with us.
Oh, and if you like our podcast, please subscribe and like this video. It really helps us.
Yes, thank you. Now let's start. So, Mike, why is talking with friends important for English learners?
Well, Sarah, when you can chat with friends in English, you feel more confident. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to be friendly and natural.
I agree. And today we will show you real conversations, not textbook English, real English.
For example, how do you start a conversation with a friend you see every day?
Good question. Let's practice that now. Okay, Mike, let's pretend we are friends. We meet at a coffee shop. You start.
Hey, Sarah, how's it going?
Oh, hey, Mike. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, not bad. Just working a lot this week.
I understand. Busy week for me, too.
Okay, let's stop there. Did you hear that? I said, how's it going? This is very common. It means, how are you? But it's more casual.
Right. And I answered, I'm good, thanks. How about you? This is a natural response.
You can also say, pretty good, or can't complain. That means things are okay.
Let's try again, but this time I'll start. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, Mike. Long time no see.
Hey, Sarah. Yeah, it's been like 2 weeks.
So, what have you been up to?
Not much, really. Just the usual. Work, gym, sleep. You?
Same here. Life is busy.
Great. So, what have you been up to means, what did you do recently? It's a friendly way to ask about someone's life.
And not much, or just the usual, are perfect answers when nothing special happened.
You can say this with coworkers, neighbors, or friends. It's very useful.
Now, let's talk about asking, how was your day? This is something we say every evening, right?
Yes, but there are many ways to ask this. Let me show you. Sarah, how was your day?
Oh, it was okay. Kind of tiring, but okay.
Why? What happened?
Well, I had 3 meetings and lots of emails. Nothing special, just busy.
I see. So when someone asks, how was your day, you can give a short answer or a longer answer.
Right. Short answer, good, thanks. Or pretty busy.
Longer answer, it was okay, but kind of tiring. I had a lot of work today.
Let's practice the question again. Mike, try a different way to ask.
Sure. Did you have a good day?
Yes, actually. I finished a big project. I feel relieved.
That's great. Congratulations.
Thank you. So you can also ask, did you have a good day? Or how did your day go?
All of these mean the same thing. You can choose the one that feels natural to you.
And remember, you don't need to say too much. A simple answer is perfectly fine. Okay, now let's talk about likes and dislikes. This is how we get to know friends better.
Good idea. Sarah, what kind of movies do you like?
Oh, I love comedies. They make me laugh. What about you?
Me? I prefer action movies. I like excitement.
Interesting. So we're different. That's okay. Friends don't need to like the same things.
True. Now let's look at the language. I asked, what kind of movies do you like?
And I answered, I love comedies. I used love because I really, really like them.
You can also say, I like, I enjoy, or I'm into. I'm into means you really like something.
For example, I'm into cooking, or I'm into hiking.
What about things we don't like? Sarah, do you like horror movies?
No, not really. They scare me too much.
So you can say, not really, or I'm not a fan of horror movies.
Or, I can't stand horror movies. This means you really dislike them.
Let's practice together. I'll ask, you answer. What kind of food do you like?
I love Italian food, especially pasta. How about you?
I'm more of a pizza person, but I also enjoy Japanese food.
Nice. So remember, I love, I like, I enjoy, I'm into for things you like.
And not really, I'm not a fan of, or I can't stand for things you don't like.
Now, let's practice making plans with friends. This is very important.
Yes. How do we invite someone to do something?
Let's pretend it's Friday. Mike, you want to invite me to something.
Okay. Hey, Sarah, are you free this weekend?
Yeah, I think so. Why?
Do you want to grab coffee on Saturday?
Sure, that sounds nice. What time?
How about 10 in the morning?
Perfect. See you then.
Great. So, are you free means do you have time? It's a polite way to start.
And do you want to is how you invite someone. You can say, do you want to see a movie? Or do you want to go for a walk?
If you want to say yes, you can say, sure, that sounds good, or I'd love to.
What if you want to say no? Let's practice that.
Okay. Sarah, do you want to go hiking tomorrow?
Oh, I'd love to, but I have to work. Maybe another time?
No problem. This is a very polite way to say no. I'd love to, but, and then give a reason.
You can also say, I'm sorry I can't. I have plans. This is also polite.
Remember, in English, it's nice to give a reason when you say no, but keep it simple.
Now, how do we end a conversation naturally? This can be difficult.
Yes, we don't want to be rude. Let me show you. Sarah, I have to go now, but it was great talking to you.
You too, Mike. Let's do this again soon.
Definitely. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so Mike said, I have to go now. This is honest and clear.
And it was great talking to you is very friendly. It shows you enjoyed the conversation.
Other ways to end are, I should get going, or I need to run.
And to respond, you can say, let's catch up again soon, or talk to you later.
Take care is a nice way to say goodbye to friends. It's warm and caring.
Now let's practice one more time. This time, Sarah, you end the conversation.
Okay. Oh, Mike, look at the time. I need to go pick up my sister.
No problem. It was really nice seeing you.
You too. Let's grab lunch next week.
Sounds good. I'll text you.
Perfect. Bye for now.
Bye.
Great job. Now let's practice everything one more time quickly.
Yes. Stay with us. Here's the full conversation practice.
Hey, Mike, how's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Can't complain. How was your day?
It was busy but good. Did you have a good day?
Yeah, I did. By the way, what kind of music are you into?
I love rock music. You?
I'm more into pop music. Hey, are you free this Saturday?
I think so. Why?
Do you want to see a movie?
Sure. That sounds fun.
Great. Oh, I have to go now, but I'll text you the details.
Perfect. It was great talking to you. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Wonderful. You did it. Now you can talk with friends in English.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. Just be friendly and smile.
Now we want to hear from you. Practice in the comments.
Yes. Answer this question. What kind of movies do you like? Write your answer below.
For example, you can write, I love comedies because they make me laugh.
Or, I'm not a fan of horror movies. They're too scary.
We will read your comments and reply to you.
Also, if you enjoyed this episode, please like and share with your friends.
And don't forget to subscribe. We make new episodes every day.
Tomorrow's episode is English Conversation Practice, Daily Life Role Plays at the Restaurant.
You don't want to miss it.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. You're doing great.
Yes, keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn.
Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Bye for now.
See you tomorrow.